probably don't spend much time thinking about your electric meter, and that's fine. But when you go solar, you'll want to know about a net meter, which is installed so that your utility company can track how much solar electricity is sent to the grid. During the day, the sun is out, the panels are happily cranking out solar electricity, and your home is using it for TVs, your refrigerator, air conditioning. If the system produces more electricity than you use, say on a sunny summer afternoon, the extra electricity is sent to the utility grid. The net meter spins backward and you're given a credit for that energy. When it's dark out and you're not generating any solar power, you still need to use electricity. So you'll get it from the utility grid and your meter will spin forward to record how much you use. Ready to go solar? Give us a call or visit sunrun.com for a free solar quote.